Alright, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're going to pick up a new mini bike. It currently isn't running. I'll pop up an image right here of what it looks like. But it currently isn't running. We're going to pick it up, try and get it running. We got the mini bike back home. So it is. It's not the Coleman. It's actually a Baja. But we think, what is it called? The lifter, or is it like the push? The rocker arm. We think that might have fallen off. That's kind of a common issue with these. So we're gonna pull that off and see. They're both on there, so it most likely has. So we think it probably has low compression, so we're just gonna give it a good compression test. Alright, got the spark plug out. Alright, we're screwing in the compression tester right now. Alright, got the compression tester hooked up. We're gonna go ahead, click the actual valve thingy on there. Go ahead and give it a yank.
You need another one?
Yeah, multiple. Yep. 30 pounds. Give it a few more pulls.
More?
Yeah, 30 pounds of compression, so looks like an engine swap is what it's gonna have to be. Nothing.
50, 40, 50.
Blown up. So you're gonna go ahead and pull it off and rebuild it. Straightening out the cotter pin so we can take off the first secondary chain. That will pull right out. Now we got to just unscrew the nut. Okay, gotta loosen up the tensioner a little bit so we can get the first secondary chain off of it. Make sure you don't drop the keyway off of the jack shaft. Alright, we got all the bolts undone. So then we're gonna have to slide the motor over and pull that secondary chain off.
Sure you're gonna want?
Yeah.
That chain's that tight?
Alright, there's one little bolt right there.
You want me to take it over?
I had to pull that out to where
I lost it.
the motor can now freely move. And there goes the chain.
Is it not off?
Here we go. The whole motor is now free.
Yeah, side of it next, probably.
That's for the throttle.
This one?
Yeah. And this one's for the throttle too. Maybe even that big one in the middle.
Oh.
Great, that went into it. Alright, throttle assembly is off now. Shooting a little bit of gas. Alrighty, that's on there, and we're just gonna have to hold it for about 27 years.
Flowing pretty good.
It's actually flowing pretty good. Alright. Alright, we just pulled off the jack shaft assembly. Forgot to hit the record button though. Alright, we're gonna go ahead, pull off the flywheel. Then we're gonna go ahead and drain
That
the
thing
oil.
was definitely stuck, I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Your cell phone too.
It's LED though. Alrighty. Flywheel just popped right off. Oh, that's the
Magnet part,
light.
yeah. These things?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I was gonna say I don't remember that.
Yeah, so it's like a
from the
dual
video I
coil.
watched.
It's getting the things on there too, you know? It's got the magnets on the inside.
Yeah. So that's how the lights get the power. Alright, so
Tip it.
yeah, better.
Yeah, tip it forward.
I can't.
Tip it.
I can't. I'm gonna cripple it.
Oh, it's blue.
Yeah, that's some weird oil that he used there. Green. He used like two-stroke oil or something?
Grab the back.
Bluish green. Turquoise.
We can.
Right next to it.
The motor.
Up. That.
There we go. There's the piston. Case comes off.
Maybe.
I miss that
Classic.
It's the middle is all that's holding it.
You know that our teacher has most of the
Give it a little doink on the shaft.
Ready? Alright, pulled the camshaft out. We're gonna go ahead and pull the piston rod and piston out.
Oh. That one was much easier. You don't want to put too much weight down because the whole cam will probably come out of there, or the crank once you.
Yeah.
That's it. You probably got like
Oops.
it's probably
That's
half.
what I was
a
trying to do,
Probably,
but I
like,
guess that'll work.
some from Europe.
Oh, it's so close. Oh.
Almost just went down.
Because that's pushing on it, is it? Oh! It's out now. I didn't really want to do that, but I went airborne.
Show it to the camera. This here, is our piston. Yeah, I'd say it's just worn out. Look at that gap on that.
Put it up a little bit. There you go. Okay, now you're too close.
As you can see, the gap on the rings is pretty large. So I think that might be our issue. But I don't know. What do I know?